How to use your Chipotle gift card on Doordash. First of all, you need to open the Doordash. When you open the app, you need to click Me in the bottom right menu, then go to the settings, and in the menu, you need to find payment methods or just payments. Click it and go all the way down. And right here, we'll see redeem a gift card to add credits. You need to click this. And right here, you need to enter the gift card code, guys. But this is for DoorDash gift cards. If you have Chipotle gift card, first of all, you need to trade it to DoorDash gift card. There are a lot of websites which you can use. Just enter the keyword in the Google and find this kind of websites. Trade your Chipotle gift card to DoorDash gift card. And once you will have DoorDash gift card, you need to enter the pin right here, click redeem to your account, and that's how you can use Chipotle gift card on DoorDash. That's all. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.